Hey there, join me, Chef Felipe, as I take on the challenge of grilling the perfect chicken every single time. Can I nail it? Let's find out together. For many home cooks, perfectly grilled chicken is like the holy grail of outdoor cooking. It's a staple dish that's easy to make in large quantities. And honestly, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're making chicken breasts, thighs, or drumsticks, grilled chicken is, well, always a crowd pleaser. One of the most frustrating things about grilling chicken is getting it right. So many of us have been there. You fire up the grill, throw on the chicken, and a few minutes later it's either burnt to a crisp or dry as the Sahara Desert. And don't even get me started on uneven cooking. It's like some parts are cooked to perfection while others are still pink. The lack of flavor is another common issue. You'd think that grilling would add a smoky flavor to the chicken, but sometimes it just ends up tasting bland. There are a few reasons why this happens, and one of the main culprits is not brining or marinating the chicken before grilling. This step is crucial in keeping the chicken moist and adding flavor. Another reason is not preheating the grill properly, which can lead to uneven cooking. And let's not forget about overcooking. It's really easy to get distracted and end up cooking the chicken for a few minutes too long. To avoid these issues, we need to start with the right type of chicken. I prefer using bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts or thighs because they retain moisture better than boneless, skinless chicken. Next, we need to talk about marinating and seasoning. A good marinade can make all the difference in the world. I'm a big fan of using a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs like thyme and rosemary. The key to a great marinade is to let the chicken sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour before grilling. This allows the flavors to penetrate the meat and add depth. When it comes to seasoning, I'm a big fan of keeping it simple. A little salt, pepper, and garlic powder can go a long way. The most important thing is to not be afraid to experiment and find the flavor combinations that work best for you. So, what's the secret to perfectly grilled chicken every single time? For me, it's all about using a meat thermometer to ensure the chicken is cooked to a safe internal temperature. So, this really takes the guesswork out of grilling and make sure that the chicken is cooked to perfection. Another game changer is just letting the chicken rest for a few minutes after grilling. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the chicken even more tender and juicy. By following these steps, you can say goodbye to dry, overcooked chicken, and hello to juicy, flavorful goodness. In conclusion, achieving perfectly grilled chicken is easier than you think. By following these simple steps, choosing the right type of chicken, marinating and seasoning it properly, and using a meat thermometer, you can become a grilling master. If you've had any experiences with grilling chicken, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more cooking tips and tricks, be sure to check out Taste in a Flash with Chef Felipe for more culinary inspiration. And don't forget to like and subscribe.